Mason is finally gonna eat a wing at Hooters. So y'all toast? Toast?
Hooters.
Hooters.
Wait a minute.
I know it's gonna get bad. It's gonna get bad. It's gonna hit at some point.
Wait a minute. Apparently, I overestimated the flavor.
Well, we didn't sign a waiver. Remember? That's probably that should have given it away.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
How is it, Mason?
It's not bad actually.
Is it worth the hype?
I thought it was gonna be harder, but no, it's actually.
I'm
pretty
talking about
good.
the wing. I'm talking about the wing itself. Is it worth the hype when we're talking about Hooter wings?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. He's finally had his wing. All right. Then Dragon over here has his burger right there. Curry fries. Anyway, y'all take care, guys.